Class, welcome to UPSC Learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Devi. Class, from today I am going to start chapter number first in our workbook, and the name of the chapter is The Girl Who Fell from the Sky. So we have to do, I will explain the chapter, then we have to complete exercises of the chapter number first. So class, watch the video carefully. Class, page number 6, page number 6. Grammar wise, exercise number first, subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement class means use of correct verb according to the subject. Use of correct word according to the subject. As with singular noun we have to use singular verb. With plural noun we have to use plural verb. With past form we have to, in the past tense we have to use past form of the verb. In present we have to use present form of the verb, and for future we have to use future form of the verb. So class, we will do exercise number A and B, and the topic is subject verb agreement. First question is, choose the correct option from the brackets to fill in the blanks. First exercise is filling the blanks. None of them are going to concert tomorrow. So you have to choose the correct answer. Whenever class there is none, you have to use is. Okay? And because none is showing no one, so you have to use here plural form of the verb, that is. You have to use singular form of the verb, that is. And then each. So again class, the same thing. With each we have to use singular form of the verb, as have and has given, and you have to use singular form, and has is singular form. So each shirt has a closed collar. Then third, popcorn and soda are, because they are two things, so we have to write a plural form. And the judge, jury, if jury, so then we have to use plural form of the verb. Judge is given here, so we have to use was. Then a lot of people, was and were. A lot of people indicate plural form of the means many people, so we have to use were. A lot of the people were hurt during the stampede. 6. A team of expert. A means one team. A means one team. A team is group of some person, but A means only one team, so is. Radha and Sonakshi, two person, so what we have to use? Go. And 8. Neither of us means no one. Us is given, but neither of one means no one, so what we have to write here is. Same thing here class. Underline the error and rewrite these sentences correctly. One has been done for you. You have to find out the error and then write the correct sentence. The first is already done. Nobody liked the new teacher. Like. Here the wrong word is have. You have to write here has. The football team means one team, so has is wrong. Have. You have to use here have. Neither of us are, so here you have to use is. And then both my sister, both means two, so what you have to write here is wrong. You have to write here are. Then each girls has. Have is wrong. Each, with each we have to use singular form, then what you have to write here? Has. Same in question number 6. In the place of are, you have to write is. And then exercise number B, 7 number, is wrong. In the place of is, you have to write are. Sorry class. Saida and her friends plan. Plans is wrong because plural form is given here. Plural means 2 person. So you have to use plan. So this is enough for today class. Complete these 2 exercises in your book. Then we will start doing exercise number C.